I have that networking event tonight. I'm gonna throw up.
Don't do that. It would be rather distressing.
Watch me.
Everyone loves you. Breathe. Just be yourself.
Be myself? If I be myself, I'm gonna hide in the bathroom and research the history of forks on Wikipedia, which, by the way, it's really interesting.
Good. Gathering information for casual conversation.
No, I'm being my freaked out self.
Then be somebody else. Just fake it till you make it. Smile. Make eye contact.
Like this?
Okay. That's scary. Stop it. Maybe just try harder? What on earth does this email mean? Are you kidding me? How can I possibly give an honest reply? Honest? I don't think that's a good idea.
Well, ignore it.
No. Response required. What? I don't know. Abort. Abort. Shutting down. I'll do it later. When I understand it. No!
Please express how you felt about today's discussion. That it?
I don't want to talk about it.
Maybe just try harder? Just be yourself. It's the advice everyone gives you before a job interview, a first date, first day of school, difficult conversation.
It sounds nice, doesn't it? Supportive, simple.
Except if you have a brain like ours. Just being yourself is actually terrible advice. In fact, it might be the reason you're feeling stuck, anxious, or misunderstood right now.
Because for neurodivergent people, yourself often comes with a lot of unwritten rules. We're expected to know, but we're never taught.
At least not explicitly. But today, we're going to tell you why you should ignore that advice and what you should do instead to actually feel safe and connected. Hi, this is the love of my life and husband, John.
And this is Cessy.
We are neurodivergent creators, and after navigating life and almost 27 years of marriage together, we realized something very important.
We realized that most of the social and emotional tools that we were given growing up just didn't work for us. They were built for brains that work differently than ours.
So we built our own tools.
Welcome to Open Hearts Productions.
On this channel, we share the tools we wish we had growing up. Tools for navigating relationships, improving communication, and setting healthy boundaries without the guilt and burnout.
Now, whether you're looking to improve your workplace communication or just understand your own reactions better, you're in the right place.
Subscribe!
Subscribe, 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 subscribe. So, why is be yourself dangerous? Because for many of us, our authentic selves have been rejected in the past, and in some cases, downright abused. And it's left us feeling like there's actually something wrong with our authentic selves. Who am I?
Who am I? Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Exactly. When a neurotypical person says, be yourself, they usually mean relax and be natural. But when we hear it, we might unmask completely. We might overshare or interrupt because we're really excited, or we might completely miss a social cue.
And the world doesn't always respond kindly to that. So we learn that being ourselves isn't safe.
It's a trap! It's a trap!
Run away! Run away! Run away!
And it creates this cycle of anxiety. We try to be ourselves, we get rejected, so we mask harder. Then we burn out. Just be yourself ignores the fact that we need safety before we can be vulnerable.
And it also assumes that we know how to translate our internal feelings into external communication that others understand. That's a skill, not a personality trait. And it's a skill that can be learned.
So before we go any further, let's start with the fact that you are amazing as you are. There is nothing wrong with you, and we will give you actionable steps to get you on your way to thriving.
On this channel, we're going to cover the 3 pillars of connection: workplace survival, relationships, and self-advocacy.
So, for instance, workplace survival, how to decode vague emails and handle office politics without losing your mind.
Relationships, how to set boundaries that actually stick, especially if you're a chronic people pleaser.
And self-advocacy, how to ask for what you need without feeling guilty. We are not therapists. We are 2 neurodivergent creators sharing the field notes from our own lives. We're figuring this out together with you. This is where we do things differently. We don't want you to fix you. You are not broken.
We use frameworks like social emotional learning and philosophies like restorative justice. These aren't just buzzwords. They are each systems that help us understand why we feel what we feel and how to communicate it without spiraling. One thing is for certain, these are long-term ways of life, tools that you will continue to use in your daily practice so you can understand yourself as you move through life. So, who are you going to be?
Instead of just be yourself, our advice is know your needs. When you know what you need, whether it's clarity at work or a break during an argument, you can ask for it.
And that is what this channel is about. Giving you the scripts, the questions, and the strategies to advocate for yourself.
You got this. You got this.
Yeah, you got it.
I believe in you.
Yeah, you get it.
You can do it. If we can do it, you can do it.
We've done it. You can do it again.
We really believe in you, and we love you. We are so glad you found us. If you've ever felt like you were reading from a different script than everyone else, please hit that subscribe button. We're building a community here where your brain is always, always welcome.
Speaking of scripts, in our very next video, we're going to give you a concrete tool that you can use right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now?
Right now.
We're breaking down exactly what to do when you've made a mistake at work and you're spiraling into panic. We call it the rescue script.
You can click right here to watch it next. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.